Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can verify your Exness account. So let's start our video. First, you need to open Exness application on your device. Right at the bottom, you will find the option profile. You need to tap on that. And here, as you can see, it is not verified. You need to tap on that. It will bring you here. So all you need to do is to complete your profile. You need to tap complete now. So the first step is to verify your email. All you need to do is to tap on send me a code. So once you tap on send me a code, it will send a code to your email. You need to go to the inbox and get that code. So guys, once you get the code, all you need to do is to paste it here. Once you paste the code, and that is it, your email has been verified. Now you need to enter your phone number. So guys, once you enter your phone number, all you need to do is to tap on continue. It will send you a code on your phone number as well, and you need to enter the code here. As you can see, I received a code. You need to paste it here, and that is it. Your phone number has been completed. Now you need to add profile information. You need to fill in all these information that is required: first name, last name, date of birth, gender, all these things you need to enter it. So I will enter all the information and then show you the next step. So guys, as you can see, I enter all the information. Then you need to tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, they will ask you what is the purpose of opening your account. So you need to give the purpose, investment, and speculation. There are a few options that you can select. So I choose investment, and it will bring you here. What is your current employment status? You need to answer all these questions. So you need to select one of that and then tap on continue. So which of the following best relates to your professional occupation? These are a lot of questions. You need to go through it and you need to select the answer and then go to the next. You need to complete all these questions. So I will do that and I will show you the next step. So guys, after answering all the questions, the last one is before engaging in trading, please consider your financial situations and risk tolerance. So you need to check all these and then tap on submit. So guys, the final step is to document verification. You need to upload the document. You need to first check your name. You can edit it if it is not the same as your document that you want to verify. So then you need to tap on upload. So once you tap on upload, it will bring you here. And guys, from here, you need to choose the document that you want to upload: passport, driver license, ID card, a resident permit, or alien card. So you need to choose one. In my case, I will choose passport. Then you need to scroll down and read the do's and don'ts. And then you need to tap on upload the document. It will ask you to access to your phone memory. You need to tap on media picker if you already take a photo. Then choose the documents. It will take a bit of time to upload. So guys, as you can see, the document has been uploaded. Now I will tap on submit document. So once you submit on the document, it's verify identity. It will take a bit of time. They say your document are under review, and you can see this process usually take from 3 to 7 minutes, but might last up to 24 hours in special cases. So after that time, you will receive a message that either your documents are verified or not. You can try it again if there was a problem. So guys, this is all it takes to verify your Exness account. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.